So we can draw a grid using a template such as this. I have this lined up exactly with the line of the page, and simply draw the rectangle, put the point where the thirds are, and so we have our first one, and we can line it up exactly the same way. Try to have it even against this line as well, and bring this one over here. Right, we're on the line. We've got another one. This is an A4 Manga paper, and it's 135 GSM, so it's good sturdy paper with a very, very smooth finish. So that's two. Reverse the page, try and line them up if you can too. Right, okay, so that looks right, that's okay. It's just more efficient if we do it that way. Don't have to do as many rulings when we make the grid. It's a terrific system, this. I'd highly recommend making the template. It's 10 by 8 centimeters, which is a good size to work with, and as well as that, it's we can fit 4 exactly on the page. It's not essential to do all this obsessive lining up. It just is more efficient when you're, drawing up the third grid. Okay, a very simple process, not the most exciting lesson in art, but a very, very practical and helpful one. Okay, so now, quite simply, so the advantage of this grid is that we can draw 4 rectangles like this on a page, and we can easily focus on a particular design, and then we can try out different compositions, different color schemes. It's a way of trying out different designs for an image that you might want to draw up later. So often if I'm working on a large painting, I'll do this, get it right, then draw it up a bit bigger, and then we can, rather than just drawing, just willy-nilly on the page, we can use this grid to experiment. Another system that I use too is this one. I hope you can see that. Okay, I go down about 1.5 centimeters, and then I go down 9 centimeters, and I make 3. This is if you're working on maybe character study, so you can draw the character in here. You might be using visual reference from Google or something like that, Pexels, and we can draw several figures across here. We might want to do a study of hands. We can do that across here, hands and feet, and we might want to do head studies, expressions and things like that. So it's a good system. Also on Manga paper. When I say Manga paper, we might be able to see the lines there. So it's a really great system, this one too. But this is for composition and pictures. This one is for working out different expressions and facial expressions, working out different hand gestures, working out different poses. So you fill a page quite quickly and quite easily, and it loosens you up at the same time. So that's the grid system divided into thirds, and I think I forgot to mention that the rule of thirds is a fantastic system for designing the composition, a pleasing composition, used for centuries in that. John Constable, for example, many, almost all of the Grand Master artists used it. So thank you very much for observing this little video, and hope to see you in the next one. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would be very supportive and helpful, and we can get to know each other a bit more then. Please make a comment if you could as well. Thank you.